a bird of paradise. There are over 30 different species. This one, understandably, is called the magnificent bird of paradise, a male. Before starting his show, he clears his stage. The bare brown earth will make his colours stand out better. He takes particular care to remove anything green. That colour will be the main feature of his display, and he doesn't want any competition. Satisfied at last. A sapling in the centre will serve as his dancing pole. His costume must be immaculate. Plumes like these need careful attention. Time to summon the audience. The first to appear are all young males. They won't develop their colours until they're 7 years old. They have come to watch and to learn. At last, a female. She looks much like a young male to our eyes, but he can clearly tell the difference. She will judge him by his performance and the brightness of his feathers. She does that from directly above him. He puffs up his feathers and swings round to show her his colours. For years, naturalists only watched his performance from ground level, but the female does so from above. And from there, his brilliant green colours stand out vividly against the brown of the ground. A pair of bare quivering quills sprouting from his tail add to the excitement. This is one of the most complex of all courtship dances, and we're still unaware of the details that she may regard as critical. The prize-giving, however, is unmistakable.